just respond to this, because the fact will come to, this is repeatedly said. Why is it that a rape in an opposition ruled state, for you the opposition being the BJP, becomes a national issue? And if a rape takes place in a Congress ruled state, your leadership will never show the same alacrity. The same is true possibly of the BJP. Why should rape become a political football?
Yes.
Rajdeep, when something bothers a nation, when there's a national issue, it is the primary duty of the opposition to reflect what people are feeling and to take up that issue. That's a responsible opposition. When Nirbhaya happened, we were on the back foot because it was a national issue. There was pain amongst the people. There was anger amongst the people. We had to face it. What is happening in Uttar Pradesh is sheer brazenness. You wait 14 days to set up an SIT. 14 days. Prime Minister waits for 14 days to react to a rape in his own state. He's a second-time member of parliament from there. The WCT minister, Smriti Irani, who was screaming fire.
No, she has not intervened with you. You will not intervene with her. Yeah, go ahead.
I am asking your
Smriti
permission
Irani
so that I can
disappeared
ask
from
her
the
a
scene.
question.
She's a woman MP from Uttar Pradesh. Why doesn't she speak up?
Okay.
These are the things that hurt. We will take it up. We are the opposition. We are expected to reflect the mood of the nation. It's our primary duty. And Priyanka Gandhi ji is in charge of Uttar Pradesh. Rahul Gandhi ji has been an MP from Uttar Pradesh. If they hadn't gone, people of India would not have forgiven them today.
Okay, you made your point. It's just not the Congress and the BJP. There's the Samajwadi Party which is calling for the resignation of Yogi Adityanath. Very easy to do that, call for the resignation of a Chief Minister Ghanshyam Tiwari. But the fact is that when your government was in power, Akhilesh Yadav, I have the figures here. The fact is there also, the crime rates kept going up. Number of incidents per million of population kept increasing in that period between 2012 and 15. And at that stage, I also remember Akhilesh Yadav was on the dock.
Well, I'll say three quick things. One,
image that is flashed by every newspaper and is independently taken up by media. Tanushree, who independently showed how the fire was burnt. The Indian Express pieces it up together. 6:55 p.m. the girl dies. From that moment to 3 a.m. when the fire was lit, minute by minute, the Chief Minister's office and every media channel in the country was showing this particular case. Do you think a constable would have the courage to lit the fire? The decision was taken at the level of Chief Minister. And Women Development Minister who comes from Uttar Pradesh was in the know of it. And that is why...
Now, what's the proof? Mr. Ghanshyam Tiwari, I asked you a question of Akhilesh. You've not answered that, but I want to know, you are making a serious allegation that the Chief Minister ordered the cremation of the girl in the middle of the night. What's the proof you have of that?
I'm stating that. I'm saying a case that has the nation's attention, minute by minute relayed. Entire media crew going after the police crew. When the body reaches 200 policemen, the SP is there, the additional SP is there, the DM is there. Do you think a constable will take the decision that at 3 a.m. without family's consent the fire will be lit? And do you think that the DM is putting stress on and telling the family or threatening the family on his own? No. In Uttar Pradesh in last 3 years, 15 IPS officers have been sacked by the so-called Thoko and Strong Chief Minister. So clearly to say that only a constable or DM here and there are errant and the Chief Minister is off the hook, and the silence of of Smriti Irani, Women Development Minister, is by chance. And by the way, a very famous actor in May last year in Ghazipur said on the Rajasthan Alwar case that the state government is complicit. That famous actor is the Prime Minister of India. Has he said a word?
No,
final point of what is the proof?
Okay, one minute.
The final point of what is the proof?
Okay,
no, I want to respond to it.
Gaurav Bhatia, you have every right to respond. Just a minute, sir.
One final point. Final point.
Yes.
That the Chief Minister could only gather courage to respond after a call from the Prime Minister, as was put out by the tweet of the Chief Minister himself. So entire administration at the highest level were taking decisions every step in this particular case, except the time when the girl needed them.